factories, some of the highest expenses are associated with the electricity consumed by their operations. Also, relying on commercial power suppliers means factories are subjected to power fluctuations. Any sudden increase in the electricity price creates uncertainty and disturbs the cash flow management of factories. These reasons and more, we ask you to consider moving towards green energy. Options such as investing in solar panels, solar energy. Solar power panels have already become a norm and reliable energy source in many developed areas. To make an informed decision to install a solar system over a factory, you should pay careful attention to the information provided in this video. Cost saving. Solar energy can significantly reduce your factory's electricity expenses, leading to long-term cost savings. Environmentally friendly. Solar power is clean and renewable, helping to reduce your factory's carbon footprints and to contribute to a greener environment. Energy independence. Generating your own electricity with a solar panel reduces reliance on the on-grids and ensures more stable energy supply for your factory. Government incentives. Many governments provide incentive, tax credits or subsidies to business adopting solar system, making it financially advantageous. Low maintenance. Solar panels have a minimal maintenance requirements, leading to lower keep-up cost for your factory. Long lifespan. Solar panels have a long lifespan, often exceeding 25 years, providing a dependable energy solution for the future. Overall, investing in a solar system for your factory not only brings economic benefits but also aligns your business with environmentally responsible practices, promoting a sustainable future. To know more about us, visit our website www.easysolarsolutions.com or call us on this number. Thank you so much.